Yes? What was that? This carrot face? So cute. Can you say eyes? Eyes? Eyes. Can you say eyes? Yay! Oh, sorry, I cut you off. Eyes? That's a good try. Eyes? That was close as well. Brilliant. Can you say nose? Nose? Nose. You're so cute. You want some peaches now? I think the answer is yes. Can you say yes? Yes?